How to sign in Among Us. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of signing in to Among Us. It's a really simple and a clear procedure, so make sure to follow my instructions closely. To start, locate the SW icon in your Play Store or the D icon on your device. Once you have found and clicked the right icon, you'll be taken to the Play Store homepage. Here you will see various options like games, apps, books, and more. If your aim is to sign in to your Among Us, head to the search bar and type Google Play Games and click on Search to proceed. Then find the Google Play icon and click on Open the app. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it by clicking the Download button. After successfully downloading the Google Play Games app, launch the Among Us app, and upon opening the game, you'll see the home screen where you can adjust settings and explore features like the Play, Shop, and News section. If you have followed the steps correctly, you should be already signed in when the game starts. If not, go to My Account section and choose the right options to access your account info and stats. In order to sign in, click the designated button and log in with your Google Play Games account. At the time of making this video, this is the sole method for signing to your Among Us account. I trust that this tutorial has aided you in learning how to sign in to your Among Us account. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.